Welcome to Biet Alreef, your one-stop solution for all your contracting and maintenance needs. We are a company committed to providing high-quality services with the utmost professionalism and credibility.
Our aim is to meet the needs of our customers in the best possible ways. That's why we offer a wide range of services to cater to all your contracting and maintenance needs. Our services cover many areas, such as interior and exterior decoration, construction and engineering works, including plumbing, sanitation, electricity, ceilings, walls, flooring, doors, windows, carpentry, interior and exterior painting, aluminum and glass installation, air conditioning and waterproofing. And we offer services in designing and executing gardens and landscaping, including designing and implementing private and public gardens, parks, public facilities, schools, and government projects.
We understand that every space like villas, home, shops, malls, hospitals, clinic, and other establishments have unique maintenance needs. That's why we are pleased to offer our expertise in providing maintenance services for these types of properties. In conclusion, our company strives to provide high-quality services with the highest levels of professionalism and credibility. Our aim is to meet the needs of our customers in the best possible ways. For all your contracting and maintenance needs, choose Biet Alreef.